Good day, everyone. Learn how to create an AI image in Canva. So you can create free images with the help of Canva. Like you want to wish someone, you want to create a post for Instagram, Facebook, or WhatsApp, you can create an image or wishes. So open your browser and open Canva, canva.com. You can simply sign in with Google, and here you will see a window like this, and we need to click on this make an image. You will find right there, and I'll click on that and describe the image in few words. So here I'll type create a Instagram uh, pic for Good Friday, like this, and I'll click on create. You can change the aspect ratio, you can change the color, and here we go. So we have a lot of images. If you're satisfied, you can mention more prompts and create images. So this is how you can create images in Google in Canva. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Have a wonderful day.